Imagine checking your dash cam after an accident and finding nothing. Corrupted files are a nightmare. Most standard SD cards fry under the constant rewriting and heat of a dashboard. I bought and tested the top 5 cards specifically for dash cams to see which ones actually hold up when you need them most. Let's get into it. Product number 1, SanDisk 256GB High Endurance. First up, I grabbed the SanDisk High Endurance. You can tell this one is different just by looking at the white label. It's designed specifically for continuous recording. When I popped this into my 4K dash cam, I didn't have to worry about it burning out. It's rated for 20,000 hours of recording, which is insane. I parked my car in the direct summer sun to test the temperature resistance, and it kept recording without glitching. Dash cams get hot and regular cards melt under that pressure, but this one didn't flinch. The V30 speed class meant my 4K footage was smooth with no dropped frames. If you want a set it and forget it card that you won't have to replace every 6 months, this is the gold standard for reliability. It's built to take a beating. Product number 2, GIGASTONE 512GB. If you are paranoid about losing footage, I tested the GIGASTONE 512GB next. Holding this tiny chip, it's wild to think it holds half a terabyte. That means I could record for days without the camera looping over old footage. But the real killer feature here isn't the speed. Though the 100 MB/s read speed is fast, it's the warranty. I've had cards die before where I lost everything, so knowing the company will try to save your files is a huge relief. I tested it with a high bitrate 4K camera, and the V30 rating handled it easily. This is the one to buy if you want maximum storage space and that extra insurance policy for your data. Speaking of budget-friendly options. Product number 3, Amazon Basics 256GB. I know what you're thinking, Amazon Basics. Is it junk? I was skeptical too, so I bought the 256GB version to find out. When I opened the package, it looked pretty generic, but the specs on paper are surprisingly good. It's rated U3 and A2, which matches the expensive brands. I ran a speed test on it, and I was actually hitting close to that 100 MB/s read speed. It recorded 4K video in my dash cam just as well as the SanDisk. It's also shockproof and waterproof, so it's not fragile. My favorite part is the price. You get a ton of space without the premium brand tax. If you are on a strict budget but still need 256GB of space to capture your road trips, this is surprisingly capable. Now let's look at a brand that actually makes cameras. Product number 4, Vantru 256GB High Endurance. Next, I tested the Vantru 256GB card. Since Vantru makes some of the most popular dash cams out there, I figured their own branded card should be perfectly optimized, and I was right. Holding it, it feels like any other card, but the engineering inside is what matters. It's built specifically to handle the right cycles of a loop recording camera. If you live in Arizona or somewhere with brutal summers, this is crucial. I ran it in my 3-channel dash cam setup, which demands a lot of bandwidth, and it didn't stutter once. If you already own a Vantru camera or just want a card from a company that specializes in dash cams rather than generic storage, this is a smart pick. But what if you have multiple cars? Product number 5, GIGASTONE 128GB 2-pack. Finally, I grabbed this GIGASTONE 2-pack. Sometimes you need to outfit 2 cars, or maybe you just want a backup in your glove box. Opening the blister pack, I like that they included 2 adapters as well. These are 128GB each, which is plenty for most daily commutes. They are also proofed against X-rays and magnets, so they are tough. While they aren't the massive 512GB capacity I tested earlier, getting 2 reliable cards for a great price is a steal. This is the verdict for families with 2 vehicles or anyone who wants a backup card ready to go immediately if the main one ever fills up or fails. So whether you need the extreme heat resistance of the Vantru, the massive storage and data recovery of the 512GB Gigastone, or the proven longevity of the SanDisk High Endurance, don't risk your footage with a cheap card. I've left links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and drive safe.